Imagine a world where a single gene could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of disease. What if there was a hidden code within our DNA that grants immunity to some of the world's most deadly illnesses? In this journey, we'll uncover the astonishing story of the missing gene and reveal why some people seem to possess an extraordinary shield against certain diseases. Prepare yourself for a voyage through cutting-edge science and human resilience. To understand this phenomenon, we must first dive into the complex world of genetics. Our DNA is the blueprint of our existence, a sophisticated code that determines everything from eye color to susceptibility to diseases. Within this code, there are genes, segments of DNA that provide instructions for making proteins. These proteins perform countless functions in our bodies, from building tissues to defending against pathogens. But what happens when one gene is missing or altered? It can lead to unexpected immunity. Take, for example, the case of HIV resistance. In the early 1990s, researchers stumbled upon a groundbreaking discovery. A small percentage of people, known as elite controllers, seem to be immune to HIV, the virus that causes AIDS. Their secret? A rare genetic mutation that prevents HIV from entering their cells. Geneticist. This mutation occurs in the CCR5 gene, which encodes a protein that HIV uses to latch onto cells. Without this protein, the virus can't penetrate the cells and cause infection. This gene variant, known as CCR5 delta 32, has been a beacon of hope for scientists. It shows us how one missing gene can lead to complete immunity to a devastating disease. But the story doesn't end there. Let's travel back in time to the Black Death, one of history's most horrific pandemics. The plague swept through Europe in the 14th century, claiming millions of lives. Yet, some people survived. Cut to historical expert. Historical expert. Recent studies suggest that survivors of the Black Death may have carried a genetic mutation similar to the CCR5 delta 32 variant. This mutation could have provided them with immunity against the plague. Scene transition. Modern medical research. Narrator. Fast forward to today, and we see that genetic research has expanded our understanding of immunity. Scientists are exploring how genetic variations affect susceptibility to diseases like cancer, tuberculosis, and even rare genetic disorders. Cut to lab experiment footage. Narrator. In cutting-edge labs around the world, researchers are identifying new, missing genes that, when absent or mutated, can confer immunity. They're using techniques like CRISPR to edit genes and potentially create therapies that mimic these natural defenses. CRISPR, a revolutionary tool, allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA sequence. Imagine being able to engineer a person's genome to protect them from diseases. This is no longer science fiction but a burgeoning reality. Let's meet some extraordinary individuals who have benefited from this genetic magic. From cancer survivors to people living free of genetic disorders, their stories are a testament to the power of our genes. When I learned about my unique genetic mutation, it felt like I had been given a second chance at life. I'm living proof that our genes can sometimes hold the key to overcoming the odds. As we look to the future, the possibilities are boundless. The field of genetics is rapidly evolving, and with it, our understanding of disease and immunity. The missing gene is not just a story of medical curiosity. It's a glimpse into a future where genetic advancements could potentially eradicate some of humanity's most feared diseases. So, as we conclude our exploration of the missing gene, we're left with a profound sense of wonder. The human genome is a tapestry of incredible complexity and resilience. Every discovery brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of our own biology. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the cutting edge of science and the remarkable stories that shape our world.